Hello students, in the last class we were studying about crop production and management. We will continue in this class. In this class we are mainly dealing with irrigation and managing of weeds or protection from weeds. Protection from weeds. Okay, and last one is harvesting, and last one is storage. Okay, now first irrigation. What do you mean by irrigation? Why we need to irrigate? Okay, what are the methods that we can adopt that is easy for us to irrigate our crops? Okay, what do you mean by irrigation? Why we need to irrigate? You all know that every organism requires water for its growth, for its development, for everything it needs water. So in that way, crops also need water. Plants contain 90% of water. Okay, plants contain 90% of water. Along with the water, they absorb water by its roots. Along with the water, it also absorbs minerals and required nutrients from soil. They also absorb mineral and required nutrients from soil along with water. Okay, why we need to, what is irrigation? What is irrigation? So every organism require water, plants also require water, so we need to provide water for them, for their growth, for their development, for good health. We need to water them, right? So definition of irrigation is the supply of water to crops at regular intervals. Is called as irrigation. That is the supply of water to the crops at regular intervals is called as irrigation. Okay, irrigation vary from plant to plant, means crop to crop it varies, requirement of water varies, and for season to season it varies, and for land to land it varies. Okay, for some plant it require less amount of water, for some plant it require more amount of water. Like ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕಬ್ಬು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ತೊಗರಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ along with land we require more water to ಯಾವುದು ಈಗ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ more water ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. where soil is very fertile we require less amount of water. Okay, for season to season, in summer we need to supply more water. Okay, in summer ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, so we need to provide more water in summer. And in rainy season ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತದ, so we need to provide less water. This is irrigation varies from varies from crop to crop, crop to crop, land to land, and season to season. Irrigation varies from crop to crop, land to land, and season to season. Now, what are the methods? What are the methods of irrigation? What are the sources? First, we will look into what are the sources of irrigation. Okay. Sources of irrigation. What are the sources of irrigation? We know that what are the sources means wells, okay, bore well. That is we call them as tube wells. We call them as tube wells. Bore well we call them as tube wells. Lake, river, dam, etc. are these are the etc. These are some sources of irrigation. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation. We have two methods. Mainly it is divided as traditional method and modern method. In traditional method we have different types. Okay, we have 4 different types, and they are 4 different types. In traditional methods, they use they are done by animals and human beings. Okay, in traditional method we have mode, that is we call them as pulley system, and next we have chain pump, and third one is Dhekli, and fourth one is Rahat, that is called as lever system. These are some of traditional methods. We will look into modern methods later. These are some of traditional method. In pulley system, what happens is they pull water from the well with the help of bucket. They pull water with the help of pulley. Okay, pulley antandra round irtada, adanna ನಾವು ಏನು ವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಪ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ರೋಪ್ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, assume this as bucket ಏನೋ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ when we pull this rope, ಏನೋ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, this is pulley system. Pulley means this is called as pulley. When we pull the water from well, it is taken by human beings, and it is supplied to the field. Okay, supplied to crops. Next, chain pump method. In this method, assume this as well. In chain pump method, what they did is, with the help of chain, they irrigated water to the field. Okay, with the help of chain ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, this is chain pump method. Next we have Dhekli. In a textbook they have given some pictures that is about irrigation only. You may observe here. This is mode. This is chain pump method. This is Dhekli. This is Dhekli, and this is Rahat. Okay. In this, what happens? This is well. Okay. This is bucket. Assume this as bucket. Here they tied some rock or some heavy weight they tied here. When they releases the weight, bucket goes into well, okay, and it takes water. When it is when it is loaded, then what happens? Bucket comes up with the water. This water is supplied to field. And next last one, that is Rahat. In Rahat method, in lever system, this is also called as lever system. In this, what happens? This is well. These are some buckets. They are attached to pulley, and this is run by animal, bull, like bull, okay, animal, anything, okay, animal, okay. This is run by. When the animal rotates, this also rotates. This also rotates. Okay, this also rotates. When this rotate, water from this bucket goes in. This bucket takes water from the well and it is moved up. Okay, it is moved up. When it comes to the when it comes here, water ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So when it is dumped here, this is irrigated to field. This is irrigated to field. Water which comes up, moved up, this is moved up, and when it is dumped into this canal and it is irrigated to field. This is lever system. We call it as lever system or Rahat. Okay. They used for pump. They used electricity or to run the pump. They used electricity or solar system or biogas system, okay, to run the pump. Now, modern tech. What are the modern technologies? Modern technology of irrigation. What are the modern technologies? In this, first one is sprinkler method. Sprinkler method, and second one is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation. Sprinkler method, it is very efficient where land is uneven and where water is less available. Okay, it is very efficient. It is very helpful where land is uneven and where water availability of water is less. In sprinkler method, what happens is they have pipe. They have a pipe connected with the main pipe system. Okay, main pipe system. It has a perpendicular pipe which is attached to nozzle. Okay, which is attached to nozzle. Water in the pipe, it goes with the pressure. When it enters here, due to the pressure, nozzle rotates. When it rotates, water which is thrown by the nozzle, it also rotates. So water ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. It falls on the crop. When it rotates, it falls on the crop. Okay, it is very helpful because it is very efficient, because where availability of water is less, we can use this method. And also due to pollution ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ, ಲೀಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಧೂಳ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರ, ಧೂಳದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀರ ಎಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಧೂಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದ. ಹೌದಾ? ಧೂಳು ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, yield ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, we get more yield. So this is very helpful method. The modern technology, this is sprinkler is very helpful where availability of water is very less. And next we will move on to drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a boon. We call it as a boon to the boon for irrigation. Why? Because if water availability is very low, if availability of water is less, then we can use drip irrigation, and it is very efficient because drop by drop water, water falls drop by drop near to roots. Okay, near to roots. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ವಾಟರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಬೇರ್ ಕಡೆನೆ ನೀರ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ boon. We call it as a boon for irrigation technology. Okay, now what happens, ಪೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರ. when water enters fall in the drop water ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಬೀಳ್ತದ. where it falls near to roots, it is, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, wastage of water doesn't take place. Wastage of water does not take place. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೀಗ ಏನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೆನಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಈಗೇನು ಈಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಹೆಂಗ, ನೀರ್ನ ನಾಲೆ ಒಳಗ್ ಹರಿದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಹರಿದ್ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಯ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತದ, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತದ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇನ್ ಡ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ರೂಟ್ ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್, ಡ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಏನು ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಏನು ಕಬ್ಬ ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಿಪ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್, ಏನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಬಳ್ಳಿಯದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಎಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕ್ಲರ್ ಅದು ನೀರ್ ಎಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ cereals and this is used in fruit or some economical crops. Okay, this is about irrigation. You came to know that why we need to irrigate, what is the definition of irrigation, sources of irrigation and technologies of irrigation. Now we will move on to next topic, that is protection from weeds. Protection from weeds. Okay, protection from weeds antandra, what do you mean by weeds? Weeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕಸ, ಕಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಸ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಕಸ ಯಾಕೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು? why we need to weed them, why we need to weeding. Okay, and what are the methods of weeding? We will study here. Weeds means along with the crop, along with a plant which we grown, along with them some undesired undesired plants along with crops, is called or called as weeds. Okay. Removing of the process of removing of weeds from field is called as weeding. ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ weeds ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಸ, undesirable plants, that is they are undesired ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವು unwanted plants ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. So they are unwanted plants grown along with the crops, they are called as weeds. Okay. Now removing of weeds ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? The process of removing of weeds is called weeding. Weeding is done physically or chemically. We can use both the methods. We can remove weeds physically, or we can remove them by use chemicals to kill the weeds. Okay. Physically, how we physically we can remove the weeds. Okay. Physically means with the help of kurpi, it is done. Okay. Physically means people will people ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕುರ್ಪಿಯಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ with the help of people we can remove the weeds. Weeding is also done with the help of people or with the chemicals, by spraying chemicals to kill the weeds. The chemical which is used for killing the weeds is called as weedicides. Weedicides antandra the chemicals which are used to kill weeds. Okay, this is called as weedicides. So chemically, how we can remove the weeds? We can remove the weeds by spraying chemicals to kill the weeds. Some examples are 4D and Roundup. These are some of the examples of chemical sprays that we weedicides which we spray on weeds to kill them. Okay. Now, will weedicides affect our crops? You may ask, will weedicides affect our crops? No, they will not affect crops, but the man who are spraying them, they need to protect they need to cover their mouth and nose with the help of some cloth to how chemical effect ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. So they need to cover their mouth and nose while spraying the weedicides. This is about protection from weeds. In the next class we will see about harvesting, what is harvesting, and how we need to store the plants. Okay, crops. Thank you.